In-flight Wi-Fi is getting faster and cheaper and is an increasingly common offering on budget and flagship carriers alike. "Sorry, I missed your email, I was on a plane" is an excuse that simply doesn't cut it anymore. But how does in-flight Wi-Fi actually work? Let's find out. To simplify, there are two ways for an internet signal to reach your device at 35,000 feet high. The first is via ground-based mobile broadband towers, which send signals up to an aircraft's antennas. As you travel into different sections of airspace, the plane automatically connects to signals from the nearest tower, so there is no interruption to your browsing. But if you're passing over large bodies of water or particularly remote terrain, connectivity can be an issue. The second method uses satellite technology. Planes connect to satellites in geostationary orbit, which send and receive signals to Earth via receivers and transmitters. These are the same satellites that are used in television signals, weather forecasting, and covert military operations. Information is transmitted to and from your smartphone via an antenna on the top of the aircraft, which connects to the closest satellite signal. Information is passed between the ground and the plane via the satellite. Wi-Fi signal is distributed to the plane passengers via an on-board router. Technology is developing fast, but it has struggled to keep up with the sophistication and sheer number of Wi-Fi guzzling devices. Back in 2008, when in-flight broadband company Gogo, then known as Aircel, launched its first onboard Wi-Fi service on a Virgin America plane, the 3 megabits connection was adequate for a few laptops. However, streaming videos was prohibited. But now, with every passenger having at least one device to connect to countless apps, websites, and services, there is a much greater strain on resources. These days, a satellite connection offers around 12 megabits per second, but satellites are expensive to maintain and upgrade, and so there is an everlasting strain on in-flight Wi-Fi. All of that technology doesn't come cheap, and nor do the in-aircraft systems. Antennas increase drag, adding fuel costs to the airline's bill. Those fees, plus engineering and maintenance costs, are usually passed on to customers. The price of in-flight connectivity varies between airlines, although some offer free trials. For example, the first 10 megabytes on an Emirates flight is free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the other videos on the channel.